Yeah, I'll see what I can do. One of our apps gets Flight Track Pro, it doesn't make any difference. Our other apps are hardly down the base.
Another one.
See a lot of drop-offs. Yeah, it's just that with
We make Harbor Master light and Harbor Master.
There's an air hog in it just now.
Does anybody see the iPad apps up there at all?
I think they show up.
I haven't. I've been trying to find ours. I think our iPad free version gets more downloads than our iPhone one.
How frequently does it purchase?
Pretty often. I mean, you get probably. It's a free thing, so it gets downloaded like I think 5,000 to 10,000 times a day.
And when it fills up.
Yeah. But I mean, I see the light one, which I know gets less downloads a day. That's why.
Huh? Maybe they don't have the iPad. Here we go.
The icon's essentially the same, and then it's that little light banner.
It's just going to drop down.
I want to see it.
Oh wait, here we go. It's about to do it. It's going to do it now.
iPad. Oh no.
Is it in the 50,000 most popular